Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching my video, welcome to the family. Please subscribe. We're more than happy to have you. I hope you like this video. And if you're coming back to watch more and more videos, thank you for watching more videos. I appreciate you guys and I hope you enjoyed this one too. So today I wanted to give you guys a 2-in-1 video. First of all, I have a tutorial on how I achieved this wonderful, beautiful headband wig, and I will put a link to that video right here so you can go see how I achieved it. FYI, this cost me less than $10 to do. Surprise! And today I wanted to show you guys how you can style this hair. There's so many cute ways to style it, and at the same time do a haul of all the headbands I got. I feel like I got so many headbands for just this one wig. So anyways, I'm gonna do a haul of all the beautiful headbands I got and show them to you guys today, as well as the links to where I got everything so that you can pick one up for yourself if you like it. All right, first style. Alright, I hope you have a lot of styles and options to play around with. I actually couldn't go through all of the headbands, but I'm just going to show you them. So I have this one still. It's nice pattern blue. A floral green and brown I have. It feels like there's a headband for every occasion. Then I've got some plain black, plain red, and plain gray. So it's quite similar. The styles are similar to the ones I tried in this video. Just the colors and the patterns are slightly different, so just depending on what I'm wearing. I'm gonna put a link to where I got this headbands from so you can get them. If you have any questions, or if you want me to go into detail about how I achieved any of the styles as maybe a separate video, I'm happy to do that. But this is just inspirations for you to see how you can style this hair in different ways. Alright guys, thank you again for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!